right, let me introduce the man of the hour here, Ian Cooper. Ian has been trading the markets for over 20 years, specializing in options, tech stocks, news-driven strategies, as you'll see. He's developed multiple trading programs that have helped countless traders find consistent success, even in the most volatile markets, and we're in one of those now. Ian's focus on combining AI technology with traditional market analysis makes his approach both innovative and results-driven. So let me go ahead and I'll bring in Ian here. Ian, thanks for being with us here today. We're excited to learn more about your strategies and get your insights here.
Hey, John, thanks for having me. Hope you're safe down there with the storm.
Before we go into your presentation, Ian, I did want to get to your programs, and you've got a number of them, and they all kind of work synergistically. So we have clients that trade all of these programs. Let's talk first about Netta, which is News Event Trader. Now, this is a program that focuses on taking advantage of market-moving news. You identify opportunities that are driven by, could be economic reports, political developments, breaking headlines, whatever the case might be. And this approach helps our traders to capitalize on those short-term, high-potential trades that react directly to the news.
Right.
What any important points about the News Event Trader, Ian? That's one of your longest running programs, if I remember correctly. Is that right?
Yes, right. Well, this one's kind of fun. This one trades the anticipation of news. For example, if you look at AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, it's been running over the last few days, down a bit today, but it's been running over the last few days because it has an investor presentation where it's going to talk about its AI tools, I believe, tomorrow. So running into that, the stock has been running higher. We also trade, dissemination of news, kind of the ripple effect of news, and then we trade the death of news as well. After a news event happens, once that story is over, once it's been priced in, you'll typically see a pullback in the stock. For example, if you look at hurricane stocks before this storm even got as close to Florida as it is right now, you had power generator stocks like Generac, GNRC pushing aggressively higher because you knew that demand for generators was going to pick up steam. So GNRC exploded along with home improvement stocks like Home Depot and Lowe's. But once the storm moves through, we do expect these stocks to pull back on the death of news and the death of this storm, which many of us can't wait to happen, especially those in front of it. Once that happens, you'll see a massive pullback in GNRC and Home Depot and in Lowe's, which we can capitalize on using put options.
So that is a good point that you bring up, Ian, that this is not a long-only program. All your programs are using both calls and puts, correct?
Right. Yeah,
right.
We use short-term and long-term as well.
All right, let's go through the stats. Now, these are results that are based roughly on a $10,000 account size, approximately allocating between $1,000 and $1,200 per trade. And these are non-compounded numbers. So the News Event Trader, some important or key points there, it wins about 72% of the trades. And you can see the average winner and the average loser, just about the same here. Let's see. Okay, but because it wins more trades than it loses, that's how it generates profits over time. And the monthly average on that, 25% per month. Anything you want to add to the numbers here for Netta?
No, we've just been finding a good amount of opportunities, and we're going to have even more moving forward, especially once the market volatility finally cools off.